Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport that we have for sale. The Red Sport is the range-topping model of the Q50, equipped with amazing 400 horsepower twin-turbo V6. That is a new engine that we saw for 2016. This particular Q50 was traded at Tesla. Since Tesla only sells pre-owned Teslas, off-brand vehicles like this, they make available for stores like us to purchase them. And of course, being an Infiniti store, we jump at the opportunity of having this nice clean Carfax California Q50 Red Sport of only 21,656 miles. So if you're in the market for a Q50 Red Sport, this is a great one to consider. With the Sport and Red Sport Q50, you get extra bolsterings in the seat to hold you in place during performance driving. A 7-speed automatic transmission features manual shift mode. You can use the shifter down here to take control of those gears, or with the Sport and Red Sport, they give you these cool steering wheel paddle shifters. You have rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. And the thing I like about the manual shift mode on the Infiniti Q50 is some other vehicles that have manual shift mode, as soon as you get close to RPM, the red line, the car overrides the driver and changes gears. But the Q50s, when you have it in manual shift mode, it lets the driver take complete control. You can bounce it off the rev limiter. It's not going to upshift on you, just like you had a conventional manual transmission. Bose Performance Series audio system, heated seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, rear parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. With Sport and Red Sport Q50s, you get aluminum pedals. Beautiful automobile. Also, with the Red Sport, you get these upgraded forged aluminum wheels. These are really high quality wheels and tires. I believe it's pronounced Enki. They're made in Japan. All the wheels are not created equal. You know, some of the aftermarket wheels that you see might look cool, but they're cheap. They use heavier materials. They start to have finishing peeling off in a short amount of time, where these high quality wheels will last a long time. And most importantly, for a performance vehicle, you really want to reduce unsprung weight. Unsprung weight really can affect the vehicle's performance and handling, so these lightweight forged aluminum wheels are the way to go. And if you went to our parts department and asked to buy a brand new set of these rims, not tires, but just rims, it'd probably be about $4,000 or $5,000. Really high quality, excellent wheels. And also you get upgraded brakes too with the Sport model. The Q50 is built on the advanced front midship platform. They place the engine as far back as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle to improve the performance and feel through the corners. This Q50 is a rear-wheel drive model. You can get it with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. We really don't get much snow in the Puget Sound area, so you'll do just fine with rear-wheel drive in most circumstances. You'll get a little bit better gas mileage and lower service costs with rear-wheel drive. You don't have to worry about doing the all-wheel drive service, which you should. They recommend every 60,000 to 90,000 miles and can be about $1,200 or $1,300. You don't have to worry about doing that with a rear-wheel drive model. Also saves a little bit of weight. It's about 200 pounds lighter without the all-wheel drive system, and it comes with a slightly lower ride height. The all-wheel drive models are about a ½ inch to an inch higher than a rear-wheel drive version, so it has a little bit more of a lower aggressive stance as well. Really nice color combination in black on black. Of course, this one has been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Who better to buy a pre-owned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. So much fun to drive. The Q50 is a performance and a luxury automobile, all wrapped up in the one gorgeous package. Looks unlike anyone else on the road. Infiniti was not trying to copy anyone else with the Q50. They set their own design theme, and it's a beautiful one at that. Also, with the Red Sport and Sport models, you have a little bit more aggressive looking front fascia for a little bit more of a sporty look. HID high beam and low beams provide outstanding nighttime visibility. And there's a fantastic VR30 engine. The aging 3.7 was getting long in the tooth. The VR30 engine is smoother and it's more fuel efficient than the 3.7 liter V6. Features direct injection, and the turbos allow the engine to have a smaller displacement, saving weight and fuel economy, but giving you big horsepower gains. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day 100% money back guarantee. Thanks for taking your time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.